In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullets in WPS Office Mobile. Adding bullets is a simple and effective way to organize your text, create lists, and make your documents more readable and professional. Whether you are working on notes, reports, or any text that needs structure, using bullets can make your content clearer and easier to follow. To start, type or paste the text that you want to format with bullets. Once your text is ready, select the words or phrases that you want to turn into bullets. Make sure the text is properly highlighted so that only the desired sections will be affected by the bullet formatting. Highlighting the correct text ensures that the bullets are applied exactly where you need them. After selecting your text, tap the icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open the formatting options for mobile users. Within this menu, look for the bullet section. You will immediately see suggested bullet types that can be applied with a single tap. These suggested options provide a quick way to format your text with standard bullets, making the process fast and convenient. If you want more variety or a different style of bullet, tap the three dots located to the right of the suggested bullets. This will open a larger selection of bullet styles that you can choose from. Here, you can explore various designs and symbols to match the look and feel of your document. Select the style that best suits your content, and it will be applied to the highlighted text instantly. Using bullets on mobile is especially helpful when you want to create lists on the go without worrying about formatting issues. Bullets help separate ideas, emphasize important points, and make your text more visually appealing. Once the bullets are applied, you can continue typing and adding new items to your list without losing the formatting. This simple process ensures that your documents are organized and professional, even when working on a smaller mobile screen. It also saves time, as you do not need to adjust spacing or manually create symbols for each list item. By exploring the different bullet styles available, you can also customize your document to make it visually unique. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.